Hi, this dance is called Chalte Aka, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on December 2022. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Step forward, kick, step back, touch, and then step to side, together, step, side touch, close touch, and then section 2, step forward, kick, step back, touch, and then left to side, together, side, and then close touch. Section 3, cross, side touch, and then just back to left, cross, quarter turn to left, step back, side, together. And then section 4, lock shuffle forward, right and left, lock shuffle, and then step back, walk back, 4 count, 3, and with the close, right, left, right, and close together. Okay, let me repeat with the count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are some texts but with the same count, 4 count, and the same move, which is side, recover, together, with count 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you enjoy the music. Look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.